Guys, I got the new Hobbywing MAX4 ESC. This thing is massive with 2,000 peak amps. Haha, yeah, right here, 12S. And look at this motor, guys. 560 kV, 7125 size. Let's get to the table. Before we really get into this, let's look at what you get. The big, massive motor, the big, massive ESC. Look at this, I've already measured these bolt patterns out. You got 60 millimeters there and 65 millimeters this way. That was what I measured out. And notice there are heat sinks on the bottom of the ESC. Yeah, top and bottom of that thing. Now, you get this right here, which is like a nice servo splitter. In case you got, say, 2 servos. Yep, fifth scale, right? Zip tie. You get this adapter, which means that you can actually use this on other sensored motors. Now, notice no motor thermal protection when you're using this. This motor here, sensored, there you go. Yeah, right there. Absolutely beautiful system. And you get this right here, which I do believe you can use that tuner card you get in all those Hobbywing 1080 ESCs, which is beautiful because I got like 7 of those things. Oh man. Okay, let's get these things weighed in because they are absolutely massive and get onto some of the specs. The motor comes in at 2,012 grams, 71 ounces, 4 pounds, 7 ounces. That's a whole lot of motor. The ESC comes in at 792 grams, 27.9 ounces, 1 pound, 11.9 ounces. Wow. The whole combo together comes in at 2,803 grams, 98.9 ounces, 6 pounds, 2.9 ounces, 6 pounds, 3 ounces. Oh, holy moly. You know how they used to call these things Coke can motors? Well, this is a Ducan motor. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It is every bit as big, if not bigger, than the Mountain Dew can or Coke can. But yeah, the Ducan. That is awesome. Check out the bolt pattern on the motor. Yep, it can fit everything. The new sticker fits perfectly. Yep, we can tune it. Let's check out these ESC specs. 300 amps continuous, 2,000 amps peak, sensored and sensorless brushless motor. That's the motor types. Look at this application. 1/5 off-road trucks, heavy loads. How awesome is that? They actually have that in the specs. Motor limit. Note, we have with 12S LiPo, less than 600 kV. With a 70-125 size motor. LiPo cells 6 through 12S. So yeah, we're not going to be running this on 4S, I guess, right? Now, BEC, you got 6 volts, 7.4 or 8.4 volts. It's adjustable, 10 amp BEC built in. I believe it says it's got a 25 amp peak on the BEC. Size, weight, 125, 85, all that. 775.4, we already weighed that. And yeah, the programming port is shared with a fan interface. As far as setting the calibration, standard Hobbywing, neutral, forward, and reverse. Here are the programmable items. Running mode, that's pretty common. LiPo cells on auto, these are also the defaults, by the way. Cutoff, auto, medium, motor rotation counterclockwise, BEC voltage 6 volts. Max brake force, we are at 62.5%. I'll probably bump that up a little bit on that. And max reverse force, 25%. I'll probably bump that up to 75%, as that's where I kind of like my max reverse at. Punch, it's at level 5 right here. Look at that. We can definitely turn this up, but I'm going to try it just like this. I may have to change the motor rotation. That I'm not sure about. It actually has a drag brake that you can set up on this thing. Currently it's at 0%, and that's where it's going to stay. I don't see anything about setting up motor timing or any of that. Maybe if I get the Bluetooth module for this ESC, that might be in there. Maybe. I need to get a Bluetooth module so I can set it up a lot more than what that right there will give you. So that'll actually allow me access to some data logging and all that. That's going to be interesting, so I'll have to get that ordered. Yeah, so separate Bluetooth module for this ESC. So the LED will give you codes as to errors or whatever it's got to be happening, like the low voltage protection, ESC overheating, motor overheats, all that stuff like that. So yeah, the little LED, that's important. As far as the motor goes, well, I mean, it's a motor and it's big and it's awesome. 12S, there's your no load current, 8 to 12S LiPo, 560 kV, there's your part number, all that wonderful stuff, and your bearing size. So that's nice. How about a little size comparison? The big 7120, that is a 2028 800 kV Castle motor, the former Coke can motor. This is a 1717 big block size motor. It looks so small. And that is actually a little 540, which is, well, it's little. Look at them things. This is awesome. Guys, that is not a little monster X110 ESC. That's the XLX2. Look at how small it is compared to this thing. Woo, this is going to be awesome for like the Krakens, Vectas, and oh, wow. The thing is a beast. It is just awesome. That's pretty much it. So what are you going to put this in when you get yours? I'm putting it into the DBXLE, but that's another video. What do you guys think? This is a huge system. I got to order the actual ESC mount by Vidavon for my DBXLE, but I'm going to make it work like it is. I'm just going to glue it on and hope for the best. But yeah, this thing right here is a monster. What are you going to put it in? I can see these in, I doubt I'll do it, but I can totally see these things being put into an X-Max. I can see it. I don't know if that'll even fit between the rails just yet, but I'm sure it'll be made to fit. The ESC 12S. Yes, it's about time we got a good, solid 12S ESC. Thank you, Hobbywing. Yeah, I can't wait to get this thing going. I've got to get my OS8s on this thing, and yeah, we got to go. Guys, check that description. I'll link up Hobbywing down below. If I can find this, I'll link that up. Get it pre-ordered, get it going, man, guys. Let's do this thing. Guys, check the description. Use those links. Make sure you're subscribed. This is so awesome. And thank you all for watching. If you're still watching, you are top shelf. You are the cream of the crop, the pick of the litter. You are phenomenal. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. It means a lot to me. Now, down below, there are links for the products you see. Also for channel memberships, if you guys want to be a part. Channel members get early viewing on pretty much everything that I can. So guys, check that description. There's a lot of info down there. Thank you all for watching.